Hi friends, today's video is regarding the replacement of parking brake, this one retainer clip replacement. Actually, damage of this clip will produce a lot of scraping noise inside vehicle. See, by damaging this clip, both parking brake cables with the metal cover will come out of the plastic clip's groove, and it will start rubbing with our propeller shaft. So lot of sound you can hear inside vehicle. It's almost like sound is coming from speakers, but actual sound is from the bottom and metal part is rubbing. This clip is made up of plastic and it can break at any time. I have checked the actual price of the clip. It's almost $20 for the clip, and the most painful part is its replacement cost. It's almost $1,000. Moreover, lot of workmanship is involved in this activity if you are going in the procedural way, because this clip is placed behind propeller shaft that is covered with aluminum shield. So for approaching or reaching this clip with your hands, lot of manpower is involved, lot of work is involved. That's why they will be charging hefty. But anyway, with my minimum information or whatever information available in net, I have made a clip with aluminum sheet by hand, and I have not gone for original clip that is made up of plastic, because it's not reliable for long time. If I replace it right now also, after some time it will again break. So I decided to change with a metal clip that I have made with aluminum sheet, so rusting problem and all we can avoid. I have done this work with my 2 jack stands and ratchet with the 10 mm and 13 mm sockets. In this time I cannot forget the great support extended by my 2 daughters while executing the work. The step-by-step procedures with my limited actually space constraint is there, because I was lifted my vehicle on jack stands only. That's why lot of space was not available. So my camera was not placed in proper distance. That's why this video exact part I can show, but the procedure step by step you may not be able to see in that video, but I will explain that. Thank you. You can watch the video. This is the original part which is available in Amazon. Then this is the cost of installing that. This is the part damaged part which is removed from the vehicle. It's already broken. This is a new clip that I have made with the hand. Aluminum made it is. For removing the damaged one, we have to remove this plate. It is fixed with 6 nuts. Torque screws are used. Then after that we have to remove the aluminum shielding. Aluminum shielding is fixed with aluminum 10 mm nuts. Almost 6 nuts we have to remove. After that it will come out. It cannot take out because it is behind silencer pipe. So we have to lower the silencer pipe a little by removing the fixing nuts at the back. Then you can hang that silencer pipe on some threads or something. I have used one plastic thread for hanging it. Only accessibility is limited, that's why reaching there it is little difficult, but anyway it can do with the proper lighting and all. if you are doing in a daytime, it is not that hard to reach with the 13 mm spanner. If you can remove the damaged clip part, plastic part with a nose plier or something, if you pull out, it will come out, then you can fix the new clamp. This is the new clip I have installed with the same bolt where the original one was installed. Then refixing is not that hard. For refixing also, we have to insert the aluminum shielding first before fixing the silencer pipe. Then you can fix it back. Only thing, actually accessibility is little limited, that's why little more time it may take, but anyway the result will satisfy you very much. I have checked it, it's very fine, there is no sound at all. Earlier it was annoying, but now it is perfectly running. Thank you for watching. Thank you.